What you guys are about to see is quite possibly one of, if not the best cartoon reference in the history of ever. Man, I despise those stories. Anyways, today, I was just watching, I just so shocked what I thought about this really last night. After this video, when I get under 10 minutes, I'm just gonna, you know the quote. So, yeah, watch this. This is crazy. No come with this attendant, by the way. Look at this. Did you see that? Here. If you don't know what the heck I'm talking about, let me explain. Oops. How did my camera just... Okay, here we go. Alright, so here it is. Alright, so here is Rainbow Dash's lookalikes. Right here. Here is Rarity right here, and here is Pinkie Pie in the pool. Yeah, see that? Do you just see that, guys? I can't believe this. This is nuts. This is nuts. Wow. Guys, I'm so shocked what I thought about this really last night, guys. This is insane. Wow. It is a reference, of course, but I mean, it is what it is, you know. So, yeah, so that's it for this video, and bye-bye.